Blend, 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 blend. Oh, we love to see it. Yeah, we love. Yeah. Y'all know the Vine with the little boy when he gets hit in the head with the basketball and he's like, yeah. It's so funny. Cornel, Vito, 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 Cornel, Vito, Vito, ba. It's stuck in my head. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my sunny babe. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a very pretty Valentine's look because it is now officially February 1st, which means that it is time to start planning that look, honey. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. You guys keep on watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment down below if you like videos like this, and I'll see you in a minute. So I'm going to be using a mixture of the blood sugar and a mixture of the 𝓬𝓭𝓷𝓵. So I'm going to take the shade right here, it's at the top right here, and I'm just going to pack this color on. And zoom in please. I'm just going to take this color, I'm going to start packing it onto my crease. Oh, I just got shadow all on my arm. We love it. By the way, this sweater is from Walmart. I will link it below. So I'm just taking some of this and running it through my crease here. To blend that out, I'm going to take Supreme right here from the Jackie palette, and I'm gonna tap that off because I have a hair on my brush, and I'm just going to start blending this. So I'm going to go into pinker right here, and I'm going to add this to the outer corner of my eye. Do you see this? I'm going to take it and just start to fan this out. And I'm like really going in on that. And I'm starting on the outer, but I'm going to then connect it to the center, and then I'm going to do this side and do you see this side, and then blend the two. So there we go. And then I'm going to take this side of the brush and I'm going to add Wigglies. And you guys, Wigglies is so pretty. It's this one right here. As you can see, I've definitely had my fair share of using it. It is such a beautiful color. I'm just going to, I'm gonna get real close and pop it right here in the center of the lid. And mine, I've sprayed so much that it makes the pigment a little different. So I first put it on as like a barrier, then I go in with my finger and pack it on even more. And so I get more pigment that way, and I will be adding glitter on top of that, so this is a Stila glitter in the shade Kitten. Y'all see, that's in the shade Kitten. And I'm just gonna take it on my finger first and just pack it on the center of the lid. And it is a liquid eyeshadow. So you put it on and it is, first of all, that's like a rose gold color. So it has like little flecks of gold in it, but it also is a pinky color. So you get that pink, like beautiful softness, but you also get gold, which is like very bold and sultry. So perfect for Valentine's Day. Look at that. Oh. Six minutes. Is that enough time to draw some glitter on the eye? I think so. So this is a halo eye. So I just want to draw attention to the center. So I'm going to take this and line above the halo. Are y'all seeing this? Take it and line above the halo part of the eye. So it draws attention just to that area. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm just gonna keep packing this on. Oh my, yes. 10 out of 10, love it. Okay, I'm just gonna take this and pack it on here. Only in the center though. I'm not taking it all the way on the lid. I'm just gonna pack this glitter shade on. Y'all, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, we love to see it. We love to see it. There's glitter all over my shirt. Honestly, for this look, I don't even care. I really don't, because I cheat. I think this looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and we're gonna come right back. Hey, it's me again. So I'm just adding a dark brown liner, which you guys, there's so many rules in makeup that can be broken because makeup is so personal. And you might be like, why in the world is she talking about that right now? Well, you see, the dark pencil that I'm currently using is actually a brow pencil, and I'm using it because I won't ever use this pencil as a brow pencil, so I use it for my mouth, and I like the color, so I started using it as a brow pencil. Not a brow pencil, as a lip pencil. So it may be funny to some, it may look weird to some. That's okay, it's all good. The world is not over, and my lips are lined. That's just how I feel. And make sure I don't overline too much. Yes. So again, this is the 𝓬𝓵𝓵𝓵 brow blade, and I use the liner side for my brows to make them look more feathered, and then I use this other side on my lips. So there's that. I'm going to go into the Beauty Bakery lip. This is in the shade Cranberry Stiletto, and which basically means it's red. This is a Valentine's Day look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, comment down below if you enjoy videos like this, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you get all the notifications, all of them. Subscribe, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.